Hello, my name is Luke and I will be your instructor throughout this course. I'm an instructor with over 60,000 students and more than 20 courses, and in this course I will teach you C programming. Programming is the future. If you know programming, you can get great jobs with lots of benefits. These days, firms are desperate to find programmers, so they are able to offer you plenty of benefit. By the way, why is that? If learning programming has so many benefits, why aren't there more people learning it? Well, it's not easy. A lot of people give up, but you can definitely learn programming. Like everything, it's all about practice. This course will teach you the basics, like what is variable, how to use if statement, what is loop, and what is function. I will also explain how pointers and reference work, and so much more. Also, in this course are plenty of applications on which you can practice. Another thing I want to mention is that my job does not end by making these video lectures. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Mostly, I respond within a day. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for your time and I'll see you in the course.